Welcome back to Luxury Ride, your ultimate destination for everything on four wheels, muscle, modern, electric, and everything in between. If you're as obsessed with speed, heritage, and automotive comebacks as we are, hit that subscribe button and join the ride. Today, we're talking about a dark horse legend that's been whispering its way back into car culture, the possible return of the Buick GNX in 2025. Yes, the Buick GNX. The blacked-out, turbocharged monster from the 1980s that shocked the muscle car world and left even Corvettes in the dust. And now, in a time when performance EVs and high-output hybrids are grabbing headlines, rumors are swirling about a 2025 Buick GNX revival, and if the hype is real, this could be the most surprising comeback in modern muscle. Let's rewind just a bit. The original 1987 Buick GNX was the ultimate version of the Grand National, boasting a turbocharged 3.8-liter V6 pushing out 276 horsepower and 360 lb-ft of torque. It was a sleeper in every sense of the word. No flashy stripes, no loud exhausts, just blacked-out menace with performance that embarrassed Ferraris of its day. Now fast forward to today. Buick is trying to reinvent itself, not just as a luxury brand, but as a tech-savvy, performance-driven automaker with global appeal. And bringing back the GNX could be just the move to spark that fire. The rumors say the 2025 GNX will keep the spirit of the original, sleek, stealthy, and turbocharged. But this time, it might be even more advanced, possibly combining hybrid or electric power with all-wheel drive to put down massive power. If the next-gen GNX goes hybrid, we're looking at a high-performance turbocharged 2.7L or 3.0L V6, paired with electric motors for instant torque. Horsepower estimates are floating around the 500 to 600 horsepower range, which would easily put it on par with the likes of the BMW M3 and Audi RS5. Alternatively, a full EV version isn't out of the question either, especially considering GM's push toward electrification. Styling-wise, insiders suggest a bold, coupe-like profile, sharp LED lighting, a wide body stance, and of course, all black everything. Buick knows the GNX's appeal is in its dark, sinister look, and they'd be crazy not to honor that legacy. Expect aggressive lines, carbon fiber touches, and modern aerodynamics wrapped in a sleek, sophisticated package. Inside, we'd likely see a driver-focused cockpit with premium materials, think suede, leather, carbon fiber, and digital displays. It'll be refined, but with muscle at its core. Custom GNX branding, a performance heads-up display, and a thumping sound system are all on the table. So when could we see this beast? If Buick gives the green light, the 2025 GNX could debut as early as late 2024, possibly as a concept car first before heading into production. And yes, it could be built on GM's Alpha or Ultium platform, depending on whether they go ICE or EV. Now let's talk price. This won't be a bargain muscle car like the original. Expect a starting price in the $60,000 to $70,000 range, with performance editions or electric variants climbing higher. But for collectors and fans of GM's glory days, it could be well worth it. The return of the GNX wouldn't just be a tribute, it would be a statement. That Buick can still punch hard. That luxury and performance can coexist. And that even in a world of EVs and digital dashboards, there's still room for a bit of stealth, speed, and soul. Thanks for watching my channel. Are you ready for the return of the GNX? Would you prefer it as a turbo V6 hybrid, or should Buick go full EV? Drop your thoughts in the comments, leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more Legends Reborn. Until next time, drive bold, drive smart, and keep it classic.